Hey everybody, this is brockbreacher here, and this is going to be a little mixed video. Basically, the reason I haven't pushed out a video is because my other laptop broke. So I had to get a brand new one, which is what I'm recording on now. And this video clip I'm about to play, which is the speed build, was supposed to be in an episode of a new series for Creative, which we'll have to refilm, but it's supposed to be a speed build of a statue, and yeah, when I recorded, it didn't turn out. It was not recording my voice, so the only footage you actually hear is Attack Zach 2001 voice on Skype. It didn't record through my mic, so we'll do that later. But yeah, my laptop broke. It decided that the little pin in the charging slot came out in the charger, so I couldn't charge it. I barely had enough time to do anything on it. So I'm just lucky that I was already preparing to reformat it and had almost all the stuff I absolutely needed on a external hard drive. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this speed build, and hopefully sometime soon we'll push out an episode of LeBroncraft, which is the creative server we are playing on. So I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, bye.
してた導く光